Look at Palantir stock go, baby. Check it out. It's currently around 12:30 p.m., so we're about halfway through the day. Not quite there yet, but about halfway through the day, and Palantir stock is up around 4%, now trading in the mid-16s, up around, 60 cents on the day, which is great considering the stock got beaten down for a couple of days. Now it looks like it's starting to bounce back up. So for that reason, we have to break down the charts, do an update, talk about my thoughts, what I'm looking to do. So if y'all find value, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and guys, don't forget to take a sip of your coffee and to get your free money from Moomoo up to 17 stocks, each up to $2,000. Use that link down below, open up your account, fund it with at least $100, and you get a free share of C3AI stock right off the bat, which right now is $35-40 a share, and that's actually exclusive to this channel. And on top of that, you get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000. And guys, that's only with a $100 deposit. Listen to this: if you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks on top of all those stocks. And if you fund your account with at least $5,000 on top of all the stocks you already got, 16 stocks, you get another free share of either Google stock or Tesla stock, guaranteed. That's with a $5,000 deposit. So if you guys want some free money, and trust me, this is the best promo right now, and you want to help out the channel because it is an affiliate link, use that Moomoo link down below. And now, cheers, let's dive into it. So just in the pre-market today, guys, look at this. Palantir stock was at $15.36. So at one point in the pre-market today, we were down around, let me see, what was it, 3.5%, almost 4%. Actually, no, more like 3.5%. But either way, we went from 15.36 to all the way almost to $17 a share. The intraday high, guys, which we hit about 30 minutes ago, under 30 minutes ago, was at about 16.80, which means we rallied 9% from that pre-market low to that high, which we just hit 30 minutes ago. That goes to show, in my eyes, the bulls are back. The bulls are back, and we're starting to see a rally again in the stock, which if I pull the 5-day, 5-minute up, you guys probably remember this stock has not done much of anything. It's actually been pretty flat, which is why we haven't covered it. I can't even remember the last time we did, but it's been a couple of days, right? Because look, we hit roughly 1550 back, about a week ago, and we hovered there for a little bit, right? 1550 on this day, $15.50 to $16 on this day, this day, this day, this day. Now we're finally starting to pick direction after about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of consolidation. You guys can see now we're taking out the highs from the past couple of days. We have a golden cross. We're above the moving averages. That's a great sign for the bulls. And if I pull up the 10-day chart, let me show you guys this. Where is it at on the 10-day chart? You guys can see now we're starting to get to the highs from the beginning of this month, from about a week ago, 10 days ago, where we hit $17.16. The fact that now we're out of this consolidation range, we're starting to break out towards a multi-day high. We're above the moving averages on the 10-day and probably on the the other time frames as well. That's a sign that we're starting to go to those highs. Will we take those highs out? I don't know. I wish I knew. I'm not a fortune teller though, guys. But by the the looks of the charts, that's where we're going right now. And if I pull up the channel tool, let me show you guys this. We're actually approaching the top of this channel. So are the bulls going to show strength and push through 17? I think it's very possible by the looks of how, again, the momentum slowly starting to shift in the bulls' favor. I think it's possible, but it's going to be tough. It's not going to be the easiest thing in the world. So for that reason, I'm going to set my alert at, I'll put multiple alerts. I'll put one at $16.75, and I'll put another one at $17 flat. Let me do that now. Mark is that we're above $17. I'm telling you guys, if we break out of these points, there's probably going to be more upside. And if I pull up, let's see the 20-day chart. What's that looking like? Yeah, pretty much the same. We ended up pulling back a little bit this morning. We bounced off that 180 SMA, bottom of the channel. That's great. Now we're at the top of the channel, guys. So let's see what we do again at $16.75, $17. This is going to be a huge spot for Palantir in the short term. And if I pull the 4-hour chart up, you guys are going to see that the bulls really didn't go anywhere. I mean, look, we consolidated for a little bit, but in reality, did the bulls go anywhere? No, the bulls have been here the whole time. I mean, we held the 50 SMA on the 4-hour chart for the past couple of weeks. I mean, if we broke under that point, if the bulls failed to hold 15, 16 $15, I would have been like, all right, the bulls took a little bit of a vacation. You know, at that point, we probably could have gone down to 1150, 1250, right around the 180 SMA on the 4 4-hour chart. But nope, the Bulls took this thing up, currently over 4%. And, the Bulls didn't go anywhere. They're here to play. And on this 4-hour chart, you guys can see we're above all the moving averages. Now we're, heading towards 17 again. So pretty much, guys, in a nutshell, in the very short term, I'm looking to see what happens at 16.75, $17. And I might as well put another alert at $17.15. Let me do that now. Mark is that we're above $17.15, and we'll see where it goes from that point in time, guys. And this stock is running over 4% now, 4.5%, in the midst of an overall green day. I'm not sure when you're watching this video, but right now when I'm filming at about 12:31 p.m., the markets are doing very well. We have the Russell up 0.1%, which is lagging all the other indexes, which we have the NASDAQ up 0.7%, the S&P's up 0.9%, almost 1%. And we have the Dow Jones at 1.2%. If I show you guys these individual or the intraday charts, rather, you're going to notice that a lot of these are now trading at, near the intraday high. SPY is at an intraday high pretty much. You guys can see here we also have an ascending triangle forming here, which is very bullish on the intraday. You guys can see that. So if that were to play out, we'll probably have more upside on SPY. And when you're watching this video, the markets are probably closed, so you'll see what ended up playing out. Did the ascending triangle play out? Let me know in the comments, guys. But look, that's what I'm seeing on SPY. It's near all-time high, or not all-time highs, but intraday highs. And the same thing here on Triple Q. We're pretty much at that 369 intraday high that we hit about an hour ago. About an hour ago. And you guys are going to notice we do have a bit of, this is more of a wedge on Triple Q. So let's see what direction we pick. But as of now, it looks like we are holding above the 180 SMA. We're starting to push above the 50 SMA. Let's see if we break out on Triple Q. And the Russell, if I pull that up, this is right around, let's see, it's pretty much at break even, but this also has, we're seeing a wedge on the intraday chart. Look at that, higher lows at the same time that we're making lower highs. So let's see what direction we end up picking on the Russell here in the short term. And of course, the Dow, let's pull the Dow up. Can't forget about the Dow. This went down yesterday. I'm not sure if you guys remember, but today it's going up. It's up around 1.2 right now when I'm making the video, and it's at an intraday high literally right now. Looking really good, guys, really good. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And I guess with that being said, I'm going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe. And guys, do not forget to get up to 17 stocks for Moo, each up to $2,000. It's free money. Just use that link down below or go to stasserfest.com/Moo and listen to this, guys. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get a free share of C3AI, which right now, let me pull it up and see, it is at, not $500 a share. That'd be crazy. But C3AI right now is at $47 per share. Holy crap. It's actually running today. It's up 9.5%. So if you want a free share of C3AI stock and you want 5 more stocks, each up to $2,000, simply use that link down below and deposit at least $100. If you want 10 more stocks on top of all those stocks, deposit at least $1,000 and you get 16 stocks, and fund your account with at least $5,000, guys. You get a free share of either Google stock or Tesla stock guaranteed on top of all the stocks you already got. And this is limited time, guys. You have a little bit more time to do it. This is a crazy promo, so use that link down below or go to stasserfest.com/Moo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys later.